The Tesla Cybertruck's Glovebox is opened digitally, reflecting Tesla's minimalist design. There are no physical buttons or keys. The primary methods are via the 17-inch central touchscreen, voice commands using the Tesla AI Assistant, and the Tesla mobile app. This video will demonstrate each method, focusing on ease of use and security. First, ensure your Cybertruck is unlocked and in park or drive mode. Tap the controls icon, which looks like a steering wheel, on the touchscreen. Navigate to the Locks menu, then select Glovebox from the submenu. Finally, tap Unlock or Open to electronically unlatch the Glovebox. The touchscreen provides haptic feedback for confirmation as the Glovebox opens. To use voice commands with Tesla AI, first activate the voice assistant by saying, "Hey Tesla." Then clearly state, "Open the Glovebox" or "Unlock Glovebox." The system uses natural language processing to understand your command and works even offline, leveraging the vehicle's onboard NVIDIA chip. For safety, the Glovebox won't open via voice command if the Cybertruck is moving faster than 5 miles per hour. You can also open the Glovebox remotely using the Tesla mobile app, version 4.25 or later. First, ensure your phone is connected to the Cybertruck via Bluetooth. This wireless connection allows secure communication between your device and the vehicle. Next, open the Tesla mobile app on your phone. The app provides remote access to your vehicle's features, including controls that would normally require you to be inside the car. Within the app, navigate to the Vehicle Controls section. This area displays various options for managing your Cybertruck systems remotely. Look for the Glovebox option in the Controls menu. You'll find choices to unlock or open the Glovebox remotely. Select the appropriate action to access your items. This remote access is particularly useful when you're not physically near the vehicle, allowing you to retrieve items from the Glovebox without returning to the car. Always ensure your phone's connection is secure for safety. The Cybertruck's Glovebox includes robust security features designed to prevent unauthorized access and protect your valuables. One key feature is auto lock, which automatically secures the Glovebox whenever the vehicle is parked. This ensures the compartment remains locked when you're away from the Cybertruck. All methods for opening the Glovebox require authentication to ensure only authorized users can access it. You can use a PIN code entered through the touchscreen for quick verification. For enhanced security, fingerprint authentication is available via the touchscreen if enabled in your settings. This biometric option was added in recent 2025 software updates. Phone proximity authentication uses Bluetooth to detect when your paired phone is near the vehicle, allowing seamless access without additional inputs. These authentication methods align with Tesla's comprehensive security model, combining digital and biometric safeguards to protect your belongings in the Glovebox. If you encounter issues with opening the Glovebox in your Tesla Cybertruck, here are some common troubleshooting steps to try. If the touchscreen isn't responding, try restarting the system. Hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for a few seconds until the screen restarts. This often resolves temporary glitches and restores responsiveness. If voice commands fail to work, first ensure the microphone is enabled in the vehicle's settings. You can check this in the Controls menu on the touchscreen. Also, make sure you're speaking clearly and directly at the dashboard, as background noise can interfere with recognition. If the Tesla mobile app is not connecting to your Cybertruck, check that Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and the vehicle is within range. Also, ensure the app is fully up to date by checking for updates in your App Store. Sometimes toggling Bluetooth off and on can refresh the connection. Always ensure your Cybertruck's software is up to date. Tesla releases regular over-the-air updates that fix bugs and improve functionality. Check for updates in the vehicle's settings menu to prevent potential glitches with Glovebox access. Here are some expert tips for managing your Cybertruck's Glovebox effectively. First, store essential documents like your owner's manual and insurance information in the Glovebox. This ensures they're always handy for reference or emergencies. Consider using organizers to keep items tidy and prevent them from shifting during driving. Custom organizers help maintain order inside the Glovebox. Take advantage of the auto lock feature for added security when parking in public areas. This automatically secures the glove box to protect your valuables. Finally, remember that the glove box has a capacity of approximately 5 to 7 liters, so plan your storage accordingly to avoid overcrowding. Tesla plans to expand Glovebox functionality in future full self-driving updates, starting with FSD version 15 expected in 2026. One exciting feature will be gesture-based opening, allowing you to wave your hand near the dashboard to unlock and open the Glovebox. The Glovebox will integrate with smart home ecosystems using protocols like Matter, enabling remote access from your connected home devices. Imagine opening the Glovebox automatically when you arrive home, or controlling it through your smart home hub. As autonomous driving technology advances, Glovebox controls will become fully AI managed. The system could predict when you need access based on your habits, automatically opening the Glovebox at the right moments during your journey. To address cybersecurity concerns, Tesla implements end-to-end encryption for all Glovebox controls. As Cybertruck sales reach 500,000 units by 2027, these advanced features will become standard across future Tesla models. Stay tuned for these exciting advancements in Glovebox technology that will make your Cybertruck even more intuitive and connected.